Hey guys, welcome to Bestride DIY. I'm on the Home Depot website to show you their Mother's Day tool sale going on. I went on Lowe's first, but they didn't have really any tools for their member deals, so I'm back at Home Depot. First up, we have this top-rated Mother's Day gift. It's a 20-volt max cordless half-inch drill driver kit. Now with this, it's going to be $99. You're saving $80, so it's 45% off. And you're getting the drill driver, two 1.3 amp hour batteries, the DCB 115 charger, and the contractor bag. So this is a pretty nice deal. It's has about 10,000 reviews at about 4.5 stars. And again, this is going to be 45% off here for their Mother's Day deal. And this is a top rated pick. Next up, this is a Milwaukee M12 fuel surge 12 volt lithium ion brushless cordless 1/4 inch hex impact driver compact kit. You're getting two 2 amp hour batteries, the bag, and the tool. Now look at this, you get a free tool here with this purchase. So this is better really than a savings on the tool, I think, because look at all these prices. $149 for the 3/8 ratchet, $119, but these are all going to be free when you select one of these for free to pick with this combo deal. You get the inflator, the multi-tool, or the soldering iron. So you just pick which one you want, you click select, and then from there you'll be good. The first one was a blower for $99, but again, $179. There is no discount on this one, but you do get the free gift with purchase. So that's a pretty decent deal, I think, with this deal, and it has over 1,000 5-star reviews. Next, this is a trending product from Ryobi. It's their 18-volt brushless cordless half-inch hammer drill. Now this is the tool only. It's going to be $69, 47% off, so you're saving $60. It was $129. Now this says it provides up to 29% faster drilling, up to 750 inch-pounds of torque. And with this, it is a tool only, but with the battery, it fits all of their products, of course. Now keep in mind, guys, you can get free delivery with a lot of these products. So in time for Mother's Day, you won't have any issues there. This is the 18-volt half-inch compact drill driver deal. Now with this, you're getting one 2 amp hour battery, the charger, and the tool bag. Now this is Milwaukee, so highly rated. This is compact and brushless for $99. You're saving $100. So this is a 50% off deal from Milwaukee. This is the brushless motor. It's saying delivers 550 in-pounds of torque and 0 to 1700 RPMs. Now you're getting everything pictured here. It's nice that it does come with the contractor tool bag and the charger. And this is only going to be 5.7 inches in length, so it is pretty compact. 999 reviews at about 4.8 stars. Next from Ryobi is this 18-volt high-performance starter kit with 4 amp hour battery and charger. 20% off at $119. Keep watching, guys, because Ryobi has some really good battery deals, and I'll show you coming up. This is 2 times faster charging, they're saying, up to 30% more power, and they're showing you a breakdown of exactly what is inside of their batteries, which is pretty neat, I think. So really high ratings on this one, 405-star reviews. And again, $99. This is going to be 67% off. You're saving $203 on this one. So this is a really good deal. You can get up to 5 at this price. And I think these are good through at least Mother's Day, maybe a few days after, depending on how they want to do their sale here. I guess we'll just see. But this was $302. And you're getting quite a bit off here. So again, like I said, really good deals on these Ryobi battery deals. And I think the reason is because this is a new bundle, it's saying, at least with these 2 4 amp hour lithium ion batteries, and you're getting one 2 amp hour lithium ion battery and the charger here. So they're saying you can get up to 3 times more runtime here. In this picture, they're saying 4 times more runtime, but I guess it just depends on what tool you're using it with. So 4 is probably the max, and 3 times more on some tools. And again, these are going to power all their 300 OnePlus products here. Next up, check out these 18-volt 12 amp hour lithium ion battery packs. You're going to get 2 of these for $299, which is going to be 30% off. So you're saving $130. These premium cells feature 40% more power, they're saying, and 10 times more runtime. They do have Cool Core Pro, which they're saying runs 30% cooler and lives, I guess that's what they say, lives 50% longer. That just sounds weird. 50% longer life sounds a little bit better, but just look at these batteries. They are kind of fat and large, but I guess to hold all that amp hours you need to be. So now this is a really good deal, $99. This is going to be 65% off on this 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and charger. Now you are also getting a free 1+ 18-inch cordless hedge trimmer here. So this is going to be $99. Now that's a good deal on the batteries pack as well as the charger, but you're also getting a free tool with this. So this is a really great idea. Really great timing as well with spring and summer coming up. Getting a free tool here, I think, is a really good deal. And keep in mind, guys, you can get this delivered to you for free, or you can get it shipped to store. So for Mother's Day, if you want to give this to your mom, this is a great deal. Or if you also want to just have a yard day for her and say, hey, I'm coming over, we'll do a yard day and I'll bring something I'll grill for you. This could be a nice little setup because you can get this Saturday, or you can get this the 9th if you want to make sure the batteries are all charged up and you're ready to go Friday or Saturday or whatever. So guys, a really good deal here on some of these Ryobi deals if you're into Ryobi. Now this is a similar deal here. So this is from Ryobi. Again, you're getting the 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and charger. But this, you're also getting a free 1+ 250 CFM cordless leaf blower. Now all this is going to be $99. You're saving 64% here, and that 64% savings is actually going to be on the battery pack and the charger. So it's not even on the leaf blower, I would assume, because this is a new deal. 4.7, I want to say, 5 reviews, 4.7 out of 5-star reviews, 2,000 of those. And just a really good deal here, guys. Again, you can get free delivery by tomorrow with this, and $99 at 64% off. Next, this is a top-rated deal from Milwaukee. It's their M12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless combo kit. It's a 5-tool kit. With this, you're getting 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, the charger, and a tool bag, and this is going to be half off. So really with Milwaukee, you get a half off deal. It's something that you want to look at. $199, it was $399. With this, you're getting the drill driver, impact driver, hacksaw, ratchet, and light, as well as the 2 M12 batteries, tool bag, and the charger. So again, you can use these batteries with any of their tools, but this is a almost a $600 value here at $199. Pretty cool deal. If you don't have a lot of these tools, it might be a really good time to pick this up. Or if your mom is a DIYer, you want to pick this up for her, why not, right? So a good deal here. And next up, we have some more of the tool items from Milwaukee, though. This is the Shockwave 3/8 of an inch drive SAE and metric 6-point impact socket set. It is a 43-piece set at $109.97. It's going to be 29% off. It was $154. And this is for 3/8 of an inch drive impact wrenches, ratchets, and adapters. And the cool thing about these is they have the stamped ink fill diameter markings for wear resistance. So they're not going to just brush off. They're not just printed on there. They're actually stamped, so they're indented, and then they fill it in with the white ink. So these aren't just going to rub off, which is really nice. And again, this is going to be 29% off. At $109, you can get up to 5 at this price. And then check out the ratings in the top left here. 5 stars with over 1,600 reviews here. And guys, if you've made it this far, why not go down and subscribe below and leave a like on this video. Next is this Milwaukee 9-inch high leverage lineman's pliers with crimper. This is going to be $19.97. You're saving 20% on this. It was $24.97. And these do have a limited lifetime warranty on these tools. Next up are these Torque Lock locking plier set. It's a 2-piece set. So you're getting 2 different tools here. These provide faster setup and easy release. And they also have that one-handed control release, which is fairly easy there. This is going to be $7 off, or 26% off at $19.97. It was $26.97 here. And 5-star reviews with over 476 raters here. Next is this Milwaukee 25-foot wide blade tape measure with an 18-foot reach at $19.97. You're saving $6 here. It's 23% off. And this, you're able to take measurements on your own at 18-foot reach, and it's got that 15-foot straight standout. It's saying it delivers the longest reach and straightest standout for tape measures, apparently, and with high ratings here. And guys, let me know below in the comments if there's anything that you're looking at that you want to pick up if you're planning on doing a yard day with some of these deals. It's a great time to do that, especially for Mother's Day coming up, or if your mother's a DIYer herself, so that would be great to know. Next up is this Milwaukee exclusive deal. This is an SAE metric combination ratcheting wrench mechanics tool set. This is a 30-piece set, very highly rated at 5 out of 5 stars here. $329, you're going to be saving 30% or $140. So it was $469, it's now $329. With these, you are getting the 2.5 degree arc swing with a double stacked pause, and it does include 15-piece metric combination ratcheting tool set with the ergonomic I-beam handles, and these also have these ink-filled size labels on them. Next up is a DeWalt push and flip folding lockback utility knife with blade storage. So this has the blade storage inside, is of course just a standard utility knife. This is going to be $2 off at $12.97 or 13% off here. Now next up is from Milwaukee. This is a Shockwave 3/8 inch drive metric standard 6-point impact socket set. This is a 6-piece set for $19.97. This is 43% off. So pretty good percentage off for Milwaukee. 5 out of 5 stars here as far as the ratings. And they do, again, have those stamped and ink-filled size markings, so they're not going to rub off, as well as the dual hole design and groove for easy socket attachment and removal right along the base where they have those little red ribbons there. So again, you can get free delivery or pickup depending on your preference here, which is really nice with Home Depot, one thing I like. And you're also getting that hex socket adapter here. And next up we have this Milwaukee combination screwdriver 10-piece set for $24.97. This is going to be 34% off. You're saving $13. And with this, you're getting everything pictured here. They do have a lifetime warranty, the comfortable tri-lobe handle, magnetic tips. And if you see that little box under the price here, when you buy 3, you're going to get an extra 5% off, or when you buy 6, you'll get an extra 10% off. Although if you buy 6, I'm not sure you would get it the same price because it says limit 5 per order. So just keep that in mind when you're buying. You would still get the 10% off, but you wouldn't get the 34% off, I think. Next is this Ryobi 18 gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer. This is the tool only, keep that in mind. $99 is going to be 29% off, so you're saving $40. It was $139. This is saying it has the power to sink 2-inch nails into hardwood, lightest cordless brad nailer in its class. And again, if you do have the battery, it can fit all their 301 plus products, it's saying. It's saying it's 12% more compact compared to the P320 and does have the tool-free jam release also. Next, you've got this high-pressure tire, or it's just an inflator. This is the tool only for $29.97. This is going to be $10 off at 25% off. Now, this does have precise filling up to 160 PSI with auto shutoff. So it's a little bit higher than the standard. The standard one's going to be about 150 PSI. So this goes a little bit higher. As needed here, does have the digital pressure gauge with onboard accessory storage. And you're also getting the sports ball needle, press to valve adapter, and pinch valve adapter here. Also has auto shutoff, which is really nice, especially if you're filling up tires. You don't want to overinflate them. Now, this is an 18-volt brushless, cordless half-inch drill driver and impact driver kit. It does have 2 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a bag. And then if you look under the description, it has over 1,000 5-star reviews. $400 value, you're getting this for $149. You're going to be saving $50 or 25% off, which is not bad. Ryobi has some really good deals if you're into Ryobi on this Mother's Day sale. Up to 25% faster, they're saying, and up to 50% more torque, and includes everything. It's nice that it includes the charger and the bag here as well. And again, you can get this free delivery or pickup nearby. Next up, we have this brushless cordless 7 1/4 inch circular saw. This is the tool only for $99. This is, you're going to be saving $30 or 23% off. This does have a brushless motor, which delivers up to 40% faster cutting with over 325 cuts per charge. Now with this, you're getting the onboard LED work light, which is really essential. You're getting that lockout switch and the vacuum dust adapter, obviously, with this. Next up, we have the 120 mile per hour Milwaukee leaf blower, and this is also 500 CFMs. Very powerful leaf blower. This is going to be able to get all kinds of leaves, wet leaves. You can also use it for grass clippings, but you're not going to need that much power for grass clippings. $129, you're saving 28% or $50 off. And this is saying it's going to deliver the highest constant power by maintaining performance. It reaches full throttle in under 1 second and is only 54 decibels and up to 40% quieter than the competition here. So a nice leaf blower, about 28% off if you're in need for that one. As far as the ratings, it looks like about 4.6 reviews at over 1,100 ratings here. So guys, I hope this video helped out, and check out this next video.